So here we need to verify that cosine of theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is equivalent to tangent of pi over 4 minus theta over 4. Let us begin. So we will start the problem from the left hand side. So here we have the function cosine theta in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 plus sine theta. However, what we'll do, we'll convert the cosine function to a sine function and the sine function to a cosine function first. Now that can be done by using the fact that cosine of theta is equivalent to sine of pi over 2 minus theta, and sine theta is equivalent to cosine of the angle pi over 2 minus theta. This is the allied angle that we're talking about. So we have sine of angle pi over 2 minus theta divided by 1 plus cosine of angle pi over 2 minus theta. Now the reason why I've converted the cosine to sine and sine to cosine is because now we can apply the formula sine theta. This will be the sine of the submultiple angle given by 2 times sine theta over 2 times cosine of angle theta over 2. And then we have 1 plus cosine theta, so that's equivalent to 2 times cosine squared theta over 2. However, in our case, what we'll do, we will suppose that theta be equivalent to pi over 2 minus theta. That means wherever we see theta, we're going to replace it with pi over 2 minus theta. So that means in the numerator, we're going to get 2 times sine. We have theta over 2, but we will replace the theta value with pi over 2 minus theta. We have divided by 2. There's a typo in the problem. It is actually theta over 2 and not theta over 4. And then we have in the this will be multiplied to cosine of theta over 2, but theta will be pi over 2 minus theta divided by 2. Whole divided by, we have 1 plus cosine of some angle. So 1 plus cosine of any angle is 2 cosine squared theta over 2. So we have 2 times cosine squared theta over 2, but theta will be replaced with pi over 2 minus theta divided by 2. Fine. Let's factor out this 2. Now we have sine of the angle pi over 2 minus theta divided by 2. That's simply equals to pi over 4 minus theta over 2 multiplied to cosine of pi over 4 minus theta over 2 whole divided by cosine squared pi over 4 minus theta over 2. Now we can factor out one cosine function from the numerator and the denominator, which leaves us with sine pi over 4 minus theta over 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have the function cosine of pi over 4 minus theta over 2. So this ratio sine over cosine is nothing but the tangent function. We have tangent of pi over 4 minus theta over 2, which is the expression on the right hand side. So we have successfully showed that the ratio cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta is equivalent to tangent of pi over 4 minus theta over 2.